This brand is made in the USA, can be purchased through their website and are backed by an unmatched lifetime guarantee. The SFA models are available in 3 sizes and have adjustable solar panels to maximize the solar gain. They are low-profile units that are available in 14 different powder coat baked-on finishes so they can blend into the roof and be virtually unnoticed. The SFD models are available in 4 sizes and the solar panel can be remote mounted, which is good for cases where the fan must be mounted on the north side of the roof. The GM models are gable mounted and do not include the intake grill, while the WM models have the fan and intake grill as one piece for easy installation. All of the units are controlled by attic temperature, which is good in the winter time to save on your heating bills. This brand receives an overall 5-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.